Okay, when we have right triangles, there are two types of right triangles that have special relationships. So these are things we can do without having to use Pythagorean theorem if we can remember the relationships. Okay, two types of triangles are 30, 60, 90, and that's because of the 30-degree angle, 60-degree angle, 90-degree angle. And then 45, 45, 90. So these two angles are both 45. When two angles are the same, it makes the triangle isosceles. Okay, isosceles means two sides are the same and two angles are the same. Okay, these are our two different types of triangles. This is a little bit confusing probably. The special relationship here is that whatever the shortest side is, the hypotenuse is double it. So this is the shortest because it's across from the 30. It's the smallest angle, so across from it is the shortest side. Whatever the shortest side is, you double it, so times 2, to get the hypotenuse. Okay, remember we talked about hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. Whatever is across from the 60 is always the shortest times the square root of 3. That's always the rule. Okay, so here's an example. If I said that this was 30 degrees, wow, you really can't see that good. Let me redraw that. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, this is my right angle. If I said this side was 5, then the hypotenuse is double, 2 times 5. This side is going to be 5 times the square root of 3. Okay. For this one, whatever size the leg is, okay, you take that and you multiply by the square root of 2 for the hypotenuse. So, if we know that these sides are the same, these angles are 45, if this was 3, this is 3, this is just 3 times the square root of 2. Okay, so let's look at these examples. Okay. On this page, everything's the isosceles rule. Okay, these are the 45, 45, 90 ones. Okay, so immediately when you see two 45-degree angles, the legs have to be the same. So we know these are the same. Then the missing piece over here, according to our formula, is whatever the leg is times the square root of 2. So this side is the leg times the square root of 2. That's it. Okay. If this is supposed to be the leg times the square root of 2, then the legs are both 2. Okay, same thing for number 3. There's my right angle. So across from that's the hypotenuse. This is supposed to be the leg times the square root of 2. So this is the leg. So 3 goes here, 3 goes here. Example 4 is a little different. These are our legs. This is supposed to be the leg times the square root of 2. So, if the leg is the square root of 2, and I'm supposed to multiply by the square root of 2, that gives me the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 is 2.